Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS API Gateway with a Lambda backend. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the API Gateway service from the Services menu. Click on the Create API button to start a new API setup. Select HTTP API to create a streamlined and efficient API. Click on the Build button to proceed with the HTTP API configuration. Enter a name for your API in the designated field. Optionally, write a description to help identify your API later. Click on the Next button to continue with the API setup. In the Configure Routes section, click on Add Integration. Choose Lambda function from the list of available integration types. In the search box, enter the name of your existing Lambda function. Select the Lambda function you want to connect. Click on Create to link the Lambda function to your API. Next, define the routes you want to expose via your API. Click on Add Route and enter the desired HTTP method and resource path. After configuring the route, click on the Next button. Review your API configuration and ensure all details are correct. Click on Create to finalize your API setup. Once the API is created, note the API endpoint provided. To test the connection, open a terminal or Postman. Send a request to the noted API endpoint using the appropriate HTTP method. Check the Lambda function logs in AWS CloudWatch to verify the function was executed. Ensure the response from the API is as expected and debug if necessary. If everything is successful, your API gateway is now connected to your Lambda function. You can now use this integration for your applications. Keep in mind to manage proper permissions for Lambda to allow API gateway invocation. Happy coding and good luck with your API development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.